Were you ever bullied as a kid? And what do you think can be done to stop bullying? Were you ever bullied as a kid?
Well, you know, I went to Our Lady of Solace, which just closed in the last 4 years. But the nuns were very strict, and they wouldn't allow anything like that. But there were some guys on the other street, Hunt Avenue, one big guy who loved to walk up to you while his little friend got behind you on his hands and knees, and then he would push you right over the guy, you know.
Oh, my gosh.
That's once in a while you had to go through that.
What did you do?
I got up and ran the hell like out of there. Yeah, it was terrible. But I understand. I know what the bullying is like when you. I've seen it happen, you know, but it never happened to me, where kids are ridiculed
Yes.
and really figuratively, you know, literally molested in the head about who they are and what they are. It's terrible.
What do you think could be done to stop it?
Oh my God! I just wish there was a movement in this country right now, because you know these things are getting serious. People
Yes.
are going with guns. That every family, see, it takes it upon themselves to train their kids even before they go to school.
Right.
To stop this. You wouldn't like it being done to you, so you've got to stop it. And when you see it happening, try to step in somehow and talk the bully out of doing it,
Right.
and give the other kid a little confidence.